Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we move forward in our ITGC journey, where we started information security ITGC category, under which we are done with vulnerability management control area testing across server and database layer. Today we'll learn on how to go about when you identify a deficiency or finding during vulnerability management testing. So today's topic is the next steps when you identify deficiency or finding during vulnerability management testing. Friends, as I say in all my videos, this knowledge is not available in any book or over the web. So please try and understand these concepts. It's like how you fill a bottle drop by drop, right? So each and every concept, big or small, counts. So let us dive in today's topic. Next steps when you identify a deficiency or finding during vulnerability management testing.